Welcome to vStellar. Let's take your test execution beyond local limits. Here's how you can run cross-platform tests using Sauce Labs with vStellar Studio. Cross-platform testing ensures your application performs seamlessly across different browsers, devices, and operating systems. With vStellar Studio, you can easily integrate with platforms such as Sauce Labs, BrowserStack, and AWS. Before starting, make sure you have a Sauce Labs account and your username and password. You can find these credentials in your Sauce Labs dashboard. These details help establish a secure connection between vStellar Studio and Sauce Labs. Now let's set up the integration. From the toolbar, open the config file, and a pop-up will appear. On the left panel, you'll see an option labeled Cross Platforms. Here, you'll find 3 available platforms: Sauce Labs, BrowserStack, and AWS. Select Sauce Labs for this setup. Next, enter your credentials and other required configuration details in the appropriate fields. You can also define multiple operating systems for flexible test execution. For example, as we have created OS 1 and OS 2, you can add OS 3 and OS 4. The operating system will execute based on the window defined in the active key. In other words, for each operating system, you can configure and associate a different window setup. Once done, select Sauce Labs as your active environment and click Save. Now let's run the test on Sauce Labs. Open your Test Suite folder from the Project Explorer. I already have a pre-created UI test scenario here. To run a test, select the runner file and click Execution. vStellar Studio will now run your test directly on Sauce Labs Cloud. You can monitor the progress in real time within the console logs. Once execution is complete, go to your Sauce Labs dashboard. Here, you'll find a complete overview of your test results, including videos, screenshots, and logs. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've connected vStellar Studio with Sauce Labs and can execute your tests directly in it.